So accepting a payment via Giropay. So let's jump right in this video now. If you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe. I'll really appreciate it, and like this video. So let's select our website. I'm gonna click on my website, and then from here, what I'm gonna have to do is just to click on the online store, and then from here, let's click on manage store. And now once we are on this dashboard, please select payment. And then here on payment, make sure you connect your Stripe account from here. And once you connect your Stripe account, make sure you go to settings here and then click on settings here. And then here on settings, just select payments. And from here, select payment methods. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here you should find Gyro Pay. Now you just need to click on turn on. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.